Mobile living gets bolder with the 2026 Audi Motorhome. This motorhome perfectly blends Audi's refined design language with smart home technology and luxury materials to revolutionize luxury travel. The Audi Motorhome is for luxury road trippers. Its elegance and practicality are unparalleled. Exterior design and performance. Audi Motorhomes look sleek and aerodynamic. Its elegant body lines, chrome grille, and LED lighting make it sumptuous and modern. The enhanced lightweight chassis and Audi Quattro all-wheel drive system provide this motorhome superb road handling, stability, and performance in any weather and terrain. Driving through mountain passes or along the seaside, Audi Motorhomes are quiet, smooth, and safe. Premium features, large interior. The open concept interior resembles a luxury residence rather than an RV. Original wood veneers, brushed metal, and soft-touch leather are used to design every interior element. Living room has high-quality leather L-shaped sofa, hidden retractable 65-inch OLED smart TV, advanced surround sound system, and glass coffee table with smart charging outlets. The room has plenty of natural light and panoramic windows. Button-controlled LED mood lighting changes the mood. Rooms for sleeping. The main bedroom is a 5-star hotel suite in the back. The queen-size bed boasts an orthopedic memory foam mattress, underbed storage, adjustable reading lights, and a computerized lighting, temperature, and blinds control panel. A walk-in wardrobe with automatic lighting and long trip capacity. Gourmet kitchen and dining. The transportable kitchen is gourmet-ready. Includes an energy-efficient induction cooktop, full-size stainless steel refrigerator with freezer, convection microwave oven, and deep sink with touchless faucet. Soft-close cabinets and quartz countertops offer adequate storage. Near the kitchen is a modern dining area with a fold-out table and 4 comfortable chairs for meals, work, or entertainment. Luxury spa bathroom. Audi Motorhome bathroom excels. It contains a full-size shower with rainfall and massage jets, a modern sink with ambient lighting, a heated mirror with anti-fog technology, and an eco-toilet that saves water without losing cleanliness. Luxury finishes like ceramic floors and chrome fixtures provide a spa ambience, smart tech, and sustainability. The 2026 Audi Motorhome has a touchscreen and voice-controlled smart home system. Easy customization of climate control, lighting, window shades, and entertainment systems. Solar panels, a high-capacity lithium-ion battery pack, and an energy-efficient HVAC system make the motorhome comfortable off-grid. Safety, connectivity. The Audi Motorhome offers 5G internet, satellite navigation, remote diagnostics, and USB-C and wireless charging ports. Lane assist, adaptive cruise control, 360-degree cameras, accident prevention, and biometric entry are excellent. Conclusion. The 2026 Audi Motorhome is a luxurious mobile refuge for international travel. This RV is safe, comfortable, and innovative for weekend getaways and cross-country trips. It stands out for its elegance, cutting-edge features, and Audi's famed performance.